Here is the living space. Living space is too narrow and it's only this space. Here the back side is a small bedroom. Here is an open balcony. It's wide, I think it's 1.5, and the long is like 6 meters. It's wested. So can we make use of this balcony for the living space? So please follow me. I will show you design after. This is a living space. Living space, here we have many functions. Here we have shoes cabinets. Here we have refrigerator and also other dry food storage. And here is it's for small stuff display. And here is a window shade for books displays. If you need to take one book for reading to here. So you can have a very open bookcase. So for different type of, for family photos, for book display, which is very convenient for you to recognize which book you need to read every day, or you need to work for computer. So this space is very interesting. Before here is an open balcony. So now we destroy the balcony and we move this space into part of the living room. So here it can be to be wider and it's a nice place for reading. The kids are watching TV here and they need to divide to different space. We have another one, it's like a tea room or a coffee room here. And when you make the tea here, when you see that there is someone is sitting here and drinking tea very quietly, there is maybe some kids, they are playing, they're reading. So after tea time, we have a time for more reading or drinking coffee. So we are sit from here. So when watching TV here, it's a very comfortable atmosphere because I have different visual of different space. So this is the idea of this house. We're going to continue to share more actual videos of actual projects. So if you're interested, please follow us. We're going to continue to share our ideas and videos about interior design. So see you next time. Thank you.